In this video, I'll show you how to enable or disable NFC on your TECNO CAMON 50 Pro or 50 Ultra. So simply go into settings, and then under settings you want to select multi-device connection. Then you should see NFC. So tap on NFC, and as you can see it's on. So to disable the NFC option, simply tap on that toggle to disable it like that, or tap on this toggle to enable it. Now if you want a shortcut to do that, simply swipe up to reveal the quick center. Then you want to locate the NFC button right here. If it's not here, simply tap on edit at the top here, and then find the NFC toggle or NFC icon right there, and then tap on this plus icon to add it on there. And once you do that, simply tap on done. Now to enable or disable NFC, simply swipe down to reveal the toggles, and then tap on that to disable NFC, and then tap on it once again to enable NFC, just like that. That's basically how to do it. Take care and God bless.